My name is Amy Simon. I'm a second grade teacher in Oceanside, New York at school number 4, and I'd like to share with you my experience in Makerspace using MPI and one of my students. So my student has an IEP and he's classified speech and language. So he has a very hard time communicating verbally or in writing. So he spends a lot of time sitting very quietly in the class, and most often probably looking around at everyone else succeeding and thinking maybe why is he not able to do what they're doing. So it's our first day in Makerspace, and it's they're just going around and exploring the pieces, and he sits down at the table with his teammates and they start to explore what the different pieces do, and then we gave them a challenge and we said to make a bulb light. Well, he put the pieces together and he slid the dimmer and his face lit up like you've never seen before, and he lit the light bulb. So I took a picture and I sent it to his parents, and he went home and told his parents he was the only one. Not only was he the first one, but at the time he was the only one that figured out the system and how it worked, that he was even able to take it apart and put it back together. So we head back to the classroom, and the little boy who probably often sat in the class 3 steps behind everyone else was in Makerspace at the head of the line. And we went back to the class and I had them write about their experience. And if I can just show you a brief example of what his writing was before Makerspace. This was his writing. And then in his Makerspace book that he has, he wrote about lighting the light bulb, and it looked a lot more like this. And you could see his word spacing. He's not just stringing letters together. He has 3 sentences written right now. So ever since that moment that light bulb went off here, I really feel like a light bulb went off in his head that said, I can do this. I can be successful. And every day in writing, which is the biggest struggle for him, he makes every effort to do what he can and ask for help. He asks me to come over so he can read what he wrote and I can transcribe it.